Hey guys, I have ordered Asus laptop from Paytm. Here you can see it, and the model number is this one. Here you can see, and it cost me around 40,000 rupees. So let me focus here. It cost me around 40,000 rupees. So let's unbox this and let's check the product. So this is the build, friends. Let's keep this aside. This is the build. Let's keep this aside. Let's unbox the product. Should I open? So let's open it from this side. Here's the box, friends. It's written Asus in search of incredibles. In search of incredibles. Here you can see the model number. It's R558U. And every time you order from online, you better unbox it before the cameras. Never written the specs, friends. Let's see the product is inside or not. And always you confirm that the seal is there. Yes, the seal is there. So let's open this. So friends, this is the laptop. Here you can see Asus in search of incredibles. In the box is also like a laptop, friends. You can see. So let's see what's inside the box. The main things about the Asus which I like is the adapter. It's a MacBook's adapter, and this is the one I like the most. Let's open this and see it. Yeah. It's Asus, and I don't know about the ratings. Here you can pause this and you can check for that. 3.42 amps, and here is the cable. Here is the cable, you can see it, friends. Here it all seems good. So let's open the laptop. So guys, it's the laptop. It seems so small. Let's open this. Oh friends, this is the laptop. This looks really amazing, friends. I don't know how it feels like in camera, but in real it's awesome. Asus. It's so thin, friends. Yeah, it's really so thin. My sweat is over here, sorry. It's so hot in south, so it has this ports. You can see it has just a second. Yeah, it has, this is the charging port. Here is the LAN port. This is a VGA cable, HDMI. The VGA is the HDMI, and USB 2.0. It's Type C and it's a lock. You can see nothing in front. On the right, it's an SD card reader and the 3.5mm jack and USB 3.5, and it has an optical drive, friends. Nothing behind. So here you can see the ratings. Nothing special. So let's open this. Oh, it's not one hand openable. It's lifting, friends. It's not one hand openable like MacBooks. So that's the computer, friends. So this is awesome. This looks awesome. So the entire spec sheet is here. You can see the entire spec sheet. I'll come up with the full review, friends. So stay back to my channel and possibly subscribe to my channel and hit the like to this video, friends. Yeah man, it's looking real nice. Let me take the closer look. Yeah, here you can see it. It contains NVIDIA graphics. The finishing is really awesome. It has some brush type of pattern. Let me take you closer. Here it you can see. And the key travel is also very good. So I'll be back to see you. Be back to see you.